Like 3,500 people died in the 9/11 attacks, and we went to war. Apparently 15,000 die a day from medically induced problems, and we are not outraged. And it's wild. No one out there is going to save you or help you, especially not your doctor. Doctors are wonderful. They have a great use. Western medicine, especially if you have a car accident, so good. For traumas, for emergency surgeries, amazing, right? For anything that can be healed, and I'm talking even things like back surgeries, I feel like should never happen because they feel like they haven't nailed it. I never know anyone that improves after back surgery. But there's so many things that you can heal yourself, but you have to take this into your own hands. It's on you. Nobody cares about your health the way you do, okay? So like all of these things that we think we're stuck with, that we think we have to be on medication forever, we don't. We don't. We can get off our medications. We can heal our body. Dr. Hyman calls it going back to factory settings. We're born extraordinary is what happens to